the salaries of parliamentarians and their travel jacks ya mena shoda ishi tufate ko minimize na allowances ya doya ya maramukira hariki dodona then tushoka turori atele nimesha zile kultura hodera corona corruption in a democratic country no fururi oyori kire riri need dysfunctional democratic country to try misuse power to no amenya here and there beshire twatigero nasho ishi nasho twatigero nasho sha development re how are they used ukoraga rimwe akoneta farafara ya kuigira wakenywa akirinyagali kakorea gwikiro kamara muri kinuthu kiayo ri ni tiri na ni mara mwirutirwo kundu haha mbere ni getha urioka wika auditing ri okay haha kurikiria gabara ri ni ho ukora mara munjega yekirwo. What are we doing to our country? Then farafara shitu ni tura compromise tutiraka farafara shitu into the right standards. Then we are the people ando ya togole mukona ne maja complain you do accidents. Why can't we say we are committing genocide? Our leaders mareka turayikomura compromise farafara na riria urona level wako kaneta mathibitari ini the same waji koria mutigirie kigena giki kimuroreri dawa nicio icio nicinyitirwo nicithire kwa mundu waji kod athi thibitari aririhio nginya card aririhio kindu kinini ibeciria aririhio nginya ruwa na nashoka muhuko na bado na uteteke tax. So what we are doing to our taxpayers no kuhinyire turakatia turamahinyiriria